going for the massive drive of vaccinations. We will request all the MLA constituency to have their own meeting in their respective constituency to make a massive drive in the respective constituency for the vaccination. So this awareness has been given to all the district, all the DMNHO, through to the block level for the vaccinations. This information has been given to all. That tried all our level best to reach out to the people. But some people, they're still hesitant to come forward for the vaccines. The vaccine status available now is around 98,000. We have already asked for more vaccine, but we cannot say exactly now when they are coming, but already we have sent a letter to get more vaccine from the Government of India. This one also we have discussed in our review meeting today, but we had not come to the conclusion what strategy to adopt to incentivize to our citizens for coming forward for these vaccinations. But we have discussed, but we have not reached to the conclusions. The negative news, those who are circulate any negative news, there also will be taken actions. We want to update you on the COVID situation in our state as on date today, 24 June 2021. So the new cases we're having 420 to 420, new recoveries 298, and the new deaths are 10. The total confirmed cases is 46,878. Total active cases till today 4424, and the total recoveries cases 41,647. Total death is 807. So this is the update status of the COVID-19 as on the date 24 June 2021.